because the south side's better. We're gonna get a lot of lightning now. Oh my goodness! You all see that?
Continue on Illinois.
Man, this wind is kicking, you guys. Wow! 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts coming right on right now. All right, guys. One moment. Give me one moment. I gotta focus up here. Hey, brother. Come on. Hey, brother. I'm getting. Man, I am going through really bad right now. It's bad. Hey, bro, I'm trying to get on that southern side, bro. It's way better. I'm booking it south, bro. I'm trying to get out. Oh my goodness, bro. It hit 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, bro. I saw stuff flying. Holy crap. Bro, there's stuff flying. Oh, good thing I'm in a car. This is dangerous. Bro, it is. Holy. Yeah, it is, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Bro, this wind's unbelievable. This is the worst wind I've ever been in. Dude. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Damn. Bro, this is like, that'd be a tornado. Holy crap. Bro, we are in it. Bro, oh my. Hell yeah. Let's get it. Bro. Bro, I'm fighting it, bro. I'm really fighting the wind. Alright, bro. I think I'll get to it. You can hear that, like, roar. No, the GoPro's getting it. Bro, I can't see nothing. I can't even. Oh my goodness, bro. Hey, we're gonna try, bro. We're gonna try to do this here. We'll see what we can do. Try my best. Bro, this is like insane right now.